Affiliate Business System, ABS. So thank you for checking out this video. I'm going to talk about the Affiliate Business System, also known as ABS. So I don't know why you clicked on this video and what you want to know about it, but I'm going to show you what is inside this program, what is going on here. So I'll log into my account. Just a minute while I get into my account. So I log into my account right now. So I'm inside my account right now. As you can see, these are the products inside here. Some of them, they are unlocked and some of them are still locked. You have amazing product like the 7-step to freedom, which is 100% free, and you have that even if you want to have access to that 7-step to freedom. I have the link in the description of this video that you're watching right now, which you can click to access that course. It's 100% free. It's almost about 10 or 14 hours of free content, free training, amazing training in there. So, and then you have the ABS system itself, ABS or Affiliate Business System itself. So, and when you decide you want to join this program to make money, to build a business for yourself, this is the main business hub where it's used for creating the website where all of this is being hosted on. All of these courses is being hosted on. I'll come back to the course. Let me show you the website that you get. So this is the website that you get with the Affiliate Business System or ABS. So as you can see, who is Basi? That is branded to me. And then my YouTube channel, which you watching from right now, or if you're watching from my Rumble account video, you can see Enlightened Life Mastery. So that's how I decided to brand my website. Then you have here where it says, do you want to make more money? Everybody, of course, wants to make more money. So you get that. And then you have that goes to the, to another page where Vic Streiser explained the concept of this business model and how anyone can use this to make some money. Okay, so this is a make money online or affiliate marketing business, but this is a kind of business for people who are looking for something that they want to build over a long time. If you are looking for something, you want to make some quick bucks as quickly as possible, yes, you can make money as quickly as possible as long as you send the quality traffic that is required to this website. You can make that money. But if you want to build on the long run, this is what you want to do. Set up this website, and then inside this website, instead of going to other places like affiliate, like ClickBank, Commission Junction, Warrior Plus, and many other places to get other links to come and promote. So you have a whole lot of products that are already inside here. So you're promoting just one link, and you can even get some other external links of products that you want to promote, or if there are some other businesses that you're already promoting, you can bring them in here and then build them inside here. I'm going to show you that. So, and then if you scroll down to the website, you see a video of people who have used this product in the past. Now this is a newer version of the 4% program that was already in place. So the creator of the program, Vic Streiser, who has gotten more than 19 years experience in online marketing and traffic generation. Now, he is decided to come up to put on the affiliate business system, ABS, a newer version of the 4%. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, you have here, it says watch here. That will still take you again on this particular link. Okay. So everything is like interlinking within the website, and then it comes with a blog. Okay. And then it comes with the review, the best resources in the industry that you can use, things like autoresponder, things like Webinar Jam, many other products that are inside that if you're running an online business, you definitely need them. So they're all in here, and most of them are all like affiliate links. So which means you're promoting one link, and someone that needs an autoresponder will sign up. Someone that needs a Webinar Jam to run their business will sign up. And all of that are different multiple streams of income coming from various places. Now, with the Webinar Jam, with the VIP Inner Circle, this is for people who want like to go into the VIP Inner Circle, where you have top-notch product that will ever be released. Maybe in the future, you're one of those people that will have access to them. So, and to join the VIP Inner Circle is just by clicking on this link and then see where it's gonna take us to. So it brings you here, and then it asks for the Vic now talks to the prospect, address you, and then enter the name and the email. So I could just play that, and then just you have a feel of what it is like. This is amazing. It's cool. Okay.
Hello there, my name is Vic, and on behalf of our entire community here, we would like to invite you to something very, very special. I'm talking about your opportunity to join our private VIP Inner Circle. This is an amazing, amazing place, and you are going to absolutely love it, provided that you are quick enough to join, and there is still opportunity for you to join, especially when it's 100% free. So this is a very special group of people where we go even deeper on trainings, collaborations. We open doors of opportunities with working with other companies as it's related to you building your online business, making money on the internet, building and expanding your business. We talk about marketing, money management opportunities. We talk about ideas and things that we normally don't talk about publicly. We also have our VIP only live events happening on a regular basis that you will be invited to at no additional cost to you. So my friend, listen, if you want to be a part, if you want to belong to a group of winners.
So that's amazing. So, and across the whole website, it's just jam-packed with so many things. You can take a look at the link in the description. My website is there. You can click on it. Just go around the website and see what that website has got to offer. Quite a whole lot. Okay, let me take you back to the products. Okay, let's go back to the products. What's inside my account? So, all right, that's sorry about that. Okay, so there we go. So you have other products like mass traffic, blueprint, internet traffic, intense internet traffic blueprint, list building. So all of that is all locked, but I do have access. All of that has been unlocked for me. I have access to all of that. So, and Vic, when it comes to online marketing based on his experience over the past 19 years. This guy is, I would say, like number one when it comes to traffic generation, paid traffic, and free organic traffic. The guy is top notch, and the kind of things that he's been revealing inside of this program, they are amazing. They are things that I've never heard them anywhere else. Okay. And then you have tribe building, building mastery, where he now explains to you the reasons why you as a business owner should build your tribe or your customer base. Okay. And he now explains how building a 1,000 member tribe base could make you rich for your entire life, like your entire lifetime. And it now shows you like the blueprint on how you can start from scratch to build. Okay, that's what I'm saying. This is a long-term strategy. This is a long-term business. So as long as you come in, you stick to it, you follow the blueprint, you follow the training, you watch the videos, and then you implement everything, success is guaranteed, I would say, if you follow the blueprint, because says success leaves clue. That's what is usually said. So you also have top other marketers who have come in here, and now they also share their experience. You have here Insta Traffic Mastery, Facebook PPC Secret, Facebook Fan Page Domination. You have so many, you have Persuasion, Taxes, and some of these, they are actually free, which you can also find them on my website that I just asked you to check in the link in the description below. So this is all awesome. This is awesome. On the 5 law, and the 5 law is absolutely 100% free. Okay. So then this is the member area. You have community, tools and resources and all the rest. Okay. So if I come back here to my website, if I go to courses, you can see some courses that are free with the button unlocked. The ones that are locked, those ones are not free. And then you scroll down, you see unlock button, locked button, unlocked. The ones that are unlocked, they are not free. Then if I click on that, let's click on that one. It's a unstoppable momentum. So, and this is amazing. And then if I scroll down there, you see it says if you haven't yet joined the 4% group, so you could give this to your prospect as a bonus. And then when your prospect watches that, they scroll down, you see there is a link, your affiliate link, and that's my affiliate link right there. So they'll click on it and it will take them to the 4% website, where Vic will welcome them, do the selling, do the talking, explains everything. So this is amazing. This is awesome. And if you go to the review page, you see because this website is using the auto review system, you see thousands, more than 20,000 review over concerning this product. Then you also have tools, and most of these tools, they are all money making opportunities for you and anyone who is in this program. Like TubeBuddy, I like this one. I actually added this myself. If I click on it, you see it takes me there. It's gonna open. It brings me here. And this is, if you are making faceless YouTube channels, you could use this to create faceless YouTube channels. Okay, so it's amazing. Everything is amazing in here. I hope you enjoy this affiliate business system review.